Hi Pallavi, very good evening to you. So after the weekend's announcement of a $5 billion EV enterprise in Odisha, what we are hearing from sources within JSW is that the construction for this EV facility, both in Cuttack and Paradeep, will begin by the end of this year, subject to regulatory approvals that are supposed to come in by this year. Exact commissioning or the actual production will actually start in the next 2 or 3 years. They also pointed out that this deal, this actually plant, the EV plant, is at the group level. So JSW Group is responsible for the construction and production from this particular plant, and no other conglomerate companies are involved in this particular project. So a bit look at what JSW is going to do. The JSW is going to spend about 40,000 crore to set up 2 facilities in Cuttack as well as Paradeep. It will create around 11,000 direct jobs. What all is in the offing? A 50 gigawatt hour battery plant for both mobility and storage systems. An OEM plant, that means a car factory, will make 1 lakh commercial vehicles, that's electric buses and electric trucks, and 3 lakh passenger cars, electric cars. An auto components plant will also come up. A vendor that will be only earmarked for building the electric powertrain that will go into the CVs and the EVs. A vendor ecosystem also developed for other components. Apart from that, at Paradeep, 2 other plants will come up. One is a copper smelter with an annual capacity of 1 million tons per annum, and a lithium-ion refinery with an annual capacity of 60,000 tons. So apart from that, another maybe R&D facility will also come up. We'll get some clarity on that from the company. That's the story about JSW's EV plans going forward.
Now, stay with us, Tushar. Tell us a little bit about what's happening on Hero Moto Corp. The shares have slumped in today's day of trade, and that's despite stellar Q3 numbers. What's going wrong with the stock?
Absolutely, Pallavi. So essentially, Hero posted some really good numbers for Q3, indicating a revival in two-wheeler sales and an uptick in a rural revival as well. So if Hero sells more motorcycles, it means there is some revival seen in the rural space. But still, the stock crashed by more than 5% due to the fact that Hero has actually warned about a decline in operational profitability due to the EV business that it is trying to build. So essentially, if you quick look at the numbers, revenue was up 21%, EBITDA was up 47%, net profit was up 51%. But the fact that Hero pointed out the marketing expenses that goes into building this EV line of vehicles under the Vida brand is going to eat into the operational profitability, and that has hurt the stock today.
Okay.